the top 7 ways we make money while traveling full-time in our RV, and 5 ways you can travel full-time and make money on the road. Plus, stick around for some bonus free stuff at the end. We have had a lot of questions about this one. Everybody wonders how we make money in the RV and how they can do it too. How they can afford the lifestyle of living full-time in your RV. I'm Tom, and this is EnjoyTheJourney.Life. Our channel is all about RV living full-time right now, not waiting 5 or 10 years down the road, but figuring out a way to do it right now or within the next couple of years, or whatever kind of lifestyle of freedom and travel that you want to do. And so I'm really excited to have this video for you guys today because it's been one of the most asked questions is, again, how do we make money and travel, and how you can do it too. And I'm going to cover a bunch of different ways. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that yet. We've got lots of great videos coming out, and we do try to get those out weekly if possible. And the number one way to make money in an RV is cryptocurrency. No, just kidding. Don't do that. Really, don't do that unless you absolutely know what you're doing. Okay, now the real number one. Just continue your current job right now. Could that job be converted into one that could be done at home? Many jobs can be done online. You can talk to your employer about this, and I'll give you a tip. Actually, read The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. He has a whole way of figuring this out with your current employer. Or you could change roles with your current employer. Maybe you could go part-time from the road, or you could become a consultant. Instead of getting a regular paycheck for your current job, you could just be paid as a consultant. And if your current employer won't let you do this, you can always dust up that resume and look for another employer that will. With advances of technology, the internet, cell signal in so many places now, you can do so many different jobs on the road. So this is the number one way to afford this lifestyle, is just continue doing what you're doing, or doing it in a different capacity for the same employer or a different employer. Or if you own a business, could you run your business on the road, online, and on the phone? And I did this for a long time before selling my DJ company. And number 2, sell what you create. There is a whole group of RVers that actually travel the country and sell the creations and crafts that they make. There's local flea markets, bazaars, craft shows, and some actually convert their RV into a little store. And you can also sell that stuff online. Sites like eBay, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace. If you're not crafty, you can find items to buy and flip or resale at a higher amount. You could go to garage sales, estate sales. Are you good at antiquing, finding stuff where you can buy low and sell high, or just other items like that? Some people make a really great part-time or full-time income doing that. And another way, number 3, that you can earn a living full-time in your RV is work camping. There are so many opportunities to work in a campground or other areas out there in the country. Programs like what Amazon has, their workforce program, where you can come and help with the holiday season. or you can stay on farms and help with the harvest. And many of these companies or small businesses and farms pay a lot of money for a short amount of time. Bonuses, it may be really hard work, but in the end, you might be able to take a little extra time off to enjoy that. And I will link to some of the Facebook groups and websites that have opportunities like that in the description below. And number 4 is temporary or seasonal jobs. There are parts of the country, let's say Destin, Florida, that during the summer get so busy, they need so many workers and will pay more money for people just to come and work for a few months during season. And you can enjoy the fabulous beach there, get paid really well, and then head to another part of the country, maybe where that is in season at the time. Some of the people make so much money in that short amount of time, they take the rest of the year off. Now that's pretty cool. And a website that I would recommend, and I'll link to in the notes below, is snagajob.com. And number 5 is become a VA or virtual assistant. What kind of skills do you have? Social media, maybe proofreading, editing. There are so many kinds of contract jobs that you could do online through sites like Fiverr or Upwork. For example, I hired a proofreader and paid her over $100 to proofread my book. So do you have skills like that that you can use? Check out those sites, and I will link those down below as well. Now I'm going to talk about how we make money and afford to live full-time in our RV. We focus on passive income and multiple streams of income, where we work on building up a small business, for example, and just let it take care of itself. And sometimes they can increase, sometimes they can decrease, but then we're always working on new income streams to replace that. And so we've got over 10 different sources of income, and I'm going to talk about the top 7 right now. All right, the first way that we make money online is we have courses on Udemy.com. Currently, I have 4 courses on there right now. I've got over 8,500 students, and we'll link to those courses down below in the description. You can check those out. And the reason I'm bringing that up is anybody can make an online course. What special skills do you have? Maybe it's something you're currently doing as a job right now, but could you teach other people how to do that? Do you have skills in social media or marketing, maybe a craft, cooking? It could be 1,000 different things. You can get on Udemy and look at the different course topics, or there are a lot of other course platforms out there that you can sell on. All you need is your smartphone, maybe a simple microphone, and a laptop to do the editing, and you can have an online course put together and up in as little as a few days. So think about making an online course to support your full-time living in an RV. And you don't have to have an amazing voice to be a course instructor. All you have to do is be able to be understood and talk about and explain what you're doing in teaching. It doesn't have to be really hard. And I know people have a fear about public speaking, but it's just going to be you and your camera. And so you can do this. And another way that we make money is I wrote a book. I also recorded that, so it's on sale at Amazon and on Audible and iTunes. And I'll link below to that book as well. And the reason I'm bringing it up here is, just like online courses, anyone can write a book. Again, what kind of special talents and skills do you have that you can share with the world? Even if you don't have a formal degree, you have a lifetime of experience that other people want to learn. You can get on Amazon and research book topics to see if what you know, if it would sell well there. You can check the bestseller rankings as well. And so each month I get sent payments for the sales for either whether it's online courses or book sales, and that's a very passive income opportunity. And the next way we make money is through affiliate income. Now, you may have heard of what affiliate income is, but in case you don't know, for example, Amazon and Udemy have affiliate income programs. If you look down in our description below, we put all kinds of links to our favorite RV products and resources, and many of those are affiliate links, and that really does help supplement our income. So thank you very much for using our links. We appreciate that, and you can do it too. It doesn't have to be on a YouTube channel like this. For example, we also put links like this on our website and blog, and that brings in, again, affiliate income every month and helps us to live full-time in our RV. And another way we make money is through contract work. I help produce the audio-visual portion of a seminar in San Diego twice a year, and it's very kind of complicated work, very technical, and I learned those skills from running my DJ company for many, many years, and so I'm paid very well to go out there. I get put up in a really nice resort. I work some pretty crazy long days, but it's definitely worth it. We get a little break out of the RV, and we get to see some really great friends and meet some really great people. And so I love this portion of how we afford to live full-time in our RV. And another source of income is I have some investment income from a business that I sold, and so that helps support us. Also, what could you sell? Maybe you have some land, and obviously if you're thinking about going full-time in your RV, can you sell your house? Do you have equity in that? Maybe you can put that into some other form of investment and earn some interest on that and help get you started in this. Another way we make money is right here on YouTube. You're watching advertisements, and we are a YouTube partner, and YouTube gives us a certain cut of the advertising revenue. It's not a lot of money, but it definitely helps support the time and effort we put into making these YouTube videos. And there's also something called YouTube Premium, where some people can pay, I think it's about $12 a month, and you don't get the advertisements anymore. But if you still watch us, we get a share of that. And that actually pays a little better than the typical ad revenue on YouTube. So are you wondering, could you do a YouTube channel yourself? Absolutely. There is so much opportunity here, and I would encourage you to definitely start a YouTube channel. You can make a YouTube channel with an iPhone camera. Now, I'm not going to say this work is easy. You definitely have to work at it for a while, and it does take a while to build up a following, but it does keep building, and the momentum grows and grows. And this is some of the most fun work that we do, recording these videos. And I think we would do it for free, even if we didn't get paid, because we're having so much fun connecting with you guys and making a difference. So we're so glad and so blessed that you guys are watching and spending time with us each and every week. And another way that we make money is through product sales. Cherie sold some jewelry a little while ago, and there she is. Plus t-shirts.
Yeah, we have some ideas for t-shirts. I thought we could do Enjoy the Journey with an image of a mountain for those of you that are on the mountain tribe. And then one that says Enjoy the Journey with like a palm tree and a hammock with maybe some waves, or I don't know. We're just like brainstorming ideas for t-shirts because I think it's such a cool idea.
Yeah, so let us know in the comments below what ideas that you have, what kinds of printed products like t-shirts that you would like, and maybe what you'd like to see on them.
Yeah, I think that would be fun. And I guess we could also mention about some income that I get monthly.
Right.
You want to tell them about that?
Yeah, you have some retirement income.
I have some retirement income, yep. It pays for the groceries every month, so it's nice. It's a nice little supplemental income, but it's not a whole lot, but it's one of our multiple streams, so it does help.
And for the free bonus, you can get the quick start guide to this video, how to make money and travel full time, by signing up for our email list. The link is in the description below. And once you sign up, we will send that out to you. And I want to thank our patrons, Holly and Mark. It was so awesome meeting you guys in Colorado for coffee. And thank you for the shirt. This is cool. It might bear a little resemblance, if I can get the right look here. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have ways that you know of on how to make money while you travel full-time, whether it's in the RV or some other form of traveling. Some people travel with just a laptop and a backpack and a change of clothing. They travel the world this way. So if you know some other ways, please put those in the comments below. Or if you have questions, we loved questions from you guys. And if you haven't subscribed,
yes, do that.
Yeah, ding that bell.
Yeah, and give us a thumbs up for the video and leave your comments below. Any other ideas?
Yeah, share the video with your friends out there. And for now, we're going to say goodbye from Glacier National Park in Montana.
On Lake McDonald, where all the rocks are so many different colors. It's beautiful.
It's so beautiful here.
So peaceful.
Yeah. So long, guys.
Bye.
So one of the t-shirt ideas we have is, are you on the beach tribe with Cherie, or are you on the mountain tribe with me? You want to be on my tribe, right? The best tribe, the mountain tribe. Cool. All right. Be sure to comment and let Cherie know that she needs to edit more videos. Oof. The bugs.
I thought this was going to be about how you make money, not how to make money in RV.
Did you listen how I teed this up?
No, I wasn't paying attention.
Okay.
That's more important. Let me get, hold on. Hold on.
Gotta hold up these mountains here.
Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, are you holding up the mountains? Not from my angle, you're not.
Right here.
You're so goofy.
One rock skip and then I'll get back to work. Alright, where's the perfect rock? I don't know if this is perfect, but we'll give it a shot. Oh, that was pretty lame. Oh, bugs.
Yeah. I've been bitten a few times.
Alright. Ooh. And number 5 is there's an animal over there. Oh, it's a squirrel. Squirrel.
Squirrel. Yeah, there's bugs on top of your head.
A halo of bugs
but
up here.
Up high. What is their deal?
Build something and other people will be, build it and they will come. Oh man, look at this over here. Look at the rays of sun coming through the cloud up.
Yeah.
Now I gotta find where I was again. And another way we make money is through and another way we make oh man, look at the sun peeking out right there.
Oh wow.
Is the lighting still good on my face right now? Is it still okay?
It's good.
Oh, it's really getting bright.
Whew, too bright to look at.
Is it fine, you think? It's just
perfect. Yep, you look good.
As the sun is shining on me now. The brightness.
It's really awesome.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Excuse me.
What was that?
Oh, I was recording that. That can't be a blooper.